up. Josh, keep the lights still.
It's kind of hard to do.
Want me to?
No, let's stop.
Well, that didn't work.
Yeah, it did.
No, it didn't.
Yeah, it did.
How come it didn't fall?
Here, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. Get it, boy.
You sure you didn't shoot Dan?
No. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan.
He don't know where it's at now. Josh?
He's a little gun shy. He's never been around. Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan.
It's all the way up that freaking tree.
Get it, Dan.
There it is, Josh. It's coming on this side.
I know.
Josh, are you shaking?
Yeah.
It went back on the other side.
Yeah.
It's coming around. I don't think you're hitting it.
Get it,
I
Dan.
think it would have fell already.
Oh, there it is.
Here, Dan. Here, Dan.
Where'd Dan go?
Here, Dan.
Your dog left you. Josh, Dan ran.
Here, Dan.
Wow.
He's gun shy.
He wasn't ready for this.
Gun's still on the ground over there. Here, Dan.
I kind of can't see very well.
Here, Dan.
Oh, where'd he go from?
There he is.
Where's the coon?
There is somewhere. Looks like it's walking this way. Freaking right.
I think he screwed up. Here he comes.
Keep on getting, Dan.
He's got it.
Get it, Dan.
He knew what he was doing.
Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan.
Josh, I can't see.
Get it, boy. Get it, Dan.
I think we might be a little too close.
No, you're not. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan.
Oh shit.
There we go.
Get it, Dan.
Get over here. Get over here.
Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. There you go, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. Come on, get it, Dan.
There's gotta be some cold water.
Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Good boy. Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan.
You mad, bro?
Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. There you go, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan.
Live action.
Get it, Dan. There you go. Bring it up here, Dan. Bring it up here. Come on, Dan. Good boy. Good boy, Dan. Good boy. Get it, Dan. Look at this out of the tree. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. No, it's still alive. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan. Watch out, Anthony. Get it, Dan.
Not there.
Get it, Dan. Okay. Come on. Get it, Dan. Dan. Ow. Get it, boy. Get it, Dan. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good
Does he
boy.
know he's got to give it over to you?
Light him fire. Good boy, Dan.
You sure it ain't dead yet? It looks dead.
Get it, Dan.
I think it's dead. See, you don't want to mess with it no more.
Good
Good
boy.
boy!
Man, it's still alive.
I don't know how. What do you do with the coon after you kill it?
Skin it and keep the hide.
Get it, Dan. Get it. Get it, Dan. Get it, Dan.
Josh said, when you tree a coon, you shoot it in the back legs and it falls and the dog finishes it off. Well, it took about forever for it to finish it off.
Well, considering this dog ain't been coon hunting in coon ages.
Coon ages.
Good boy, Dan. Good boy. Good boy.
He says, hey.